Hi. First of all, I want to thank you for your interest in our lawn treatment service, and I want to take just a moment to tell you what you're going to get with this treatment service. With our treatments, our goal is to get you a green, weed-free, and healthy lawn. Most other companies focus on getting you a quick green up and fast growth that only lasts for a few weeks. We are in it for the long haul. We want your lawn to always look great and be as healthy as possible. We focus on real nutrients that actually build a better soil underneath your lawn over time. That is where you build a strong root system for an actually healthy lawn instead of focusing on just the top growth. With our program, you're going to get 6 treatments throughout the year. Every application will include fertilizer, weed control for weeds that are already there, and weed prevention to keep those seeds that blow in from ever turning into weeds. You will also get a grub and bill bug preventer to keep those nasty bugs from destroying your lawn. We tailor each application to what your lawn needs during each part of the season. One of the most important parts of our treatment program is the winterizer at the end of the year. This will help build a strong root system over the winter and help your lawn come out strong in the spring. With our program, your lawn will be healthy, weed-free, and over time will have a stronger root system and require less water. And that is what we are all about, creating a healthy lawn for you that is actually healthy and not just giving it a quick burst of energy only to go back to the way it was a few weeks ago. Thanks for watching our video, and let our office know if you have any further questions about this service, and we look forward to working with you. Have a great day. Bye.